Awu-ke manje seyiso lesikhathi-ke bese solo sisilizele madoda. I-cabinet seyifike yonke ngikuseleka kwayo. President ufikile lana nema-minister akhona. Angiqale ngendlela yakhona la. Minister Magagula, greetings minister. It's a pleasure having you. Minister Stole, greetings. There's a new addition to the cabinet. Councillor, introduce.
Is Councillor Sibanyoni, what 28?
Yeah.
Yeah, Councillor what 28. Usengafika bo minister, usengafika bo minister.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mr. President, ngikubingelele ngalokukhethelekile President. First President, Shumela Mnyandi. Hawu, nombona Jane. Ngiyo lempahla. President, hayi. President wami, bekuyidabi futhi eMpumalanga. Ine bees beyibambene neKruger lana. Idabi basayigcine Soweto, bathi naseMpumalanga sineyakethu. President, bafana bene bees la ekhaya bawinile lo mdlalo la namuhla defeating iKruger nduna yami. Mphathi umdlalo ubone njani President? Khuluma nami President.
Yes, Mr. Yes, thank you. Idabi laMpumalanga sithi idabi leyi-1 eMpumalanga sinemadabi.
Yeah.
Lena beyes3 beyes2 kushoda le-S3 anyalo bekhosta i-the bees last bekune-Casrick idla neKruger sina 3 emadabi. Igame yalamuhla it was a good game and I starting from iqali game I knew ukuthi kuyoba igame le difficult.
Yes, President.
And amagoli vele bengiwalinzele amagoli. La magoli angene lamuhla it's a true reflection of the game today.
President.
Ilo coming to iKruger the away team.
Yes,
because they away today.
Yeah.
iKruger first half idlale kamnanzi.
Sure,
but yabe siyayilahla mara iKruger there's this player number 22 Ndlovu. And number 66 Sidat.
Hayi man. Labadlali choose abafana.
Labadlali angathi babe sebayidropa kuphi iball because bebayibambile from the first half.
Yeah, straight.
Bese bajikela makaqeda kushaya igoli lindela.
Straight, President.
Makaqeda kushaya igoli lindela mabayi half time. Ube uyalimala. Babe iKruger ibe siyalimala.
Straight, President.
And iKruger yona mina bengi-expecta ukuthi kutowina yona masiya emabhukwini masiya kulog. iKruger i-right position. The bees i-pass. But the busy competition that position it's not our position. We want to go up.
Sure, President.
That is why we win 3-1 ukorile Lindela kwabuya Masilela kwabuya Mapena kumapena ku coach the new coach of the bees.
Yes ngomani no coach Zitha. Yes
ngicale ngamsola makafaka Mapena afaka Mashilwane. You know Mashilwane yathi ngicomplaina ngamashilwane.
Mashilwane lo mfana uyabheka friend.
Perform mara ugood ukuthi angayiqala igame. Angene as a sub. Abe super sub. Kumabhena he was on point.
Pinpoint.
Mabhena he's a veteran.
Veteran player. Yes.
Ngicalisa le game because it was a derby today.
Yes, President.
Funa vele ulethe all the experienced players
ukuthi
uqale ngabo. Yes, my brother.
President
3-1 score.
Usho kahle President.
3-1, 3 points in the back. Ihambena the piece.
Yeah, President.
Test the piece.
President bekumqonga kanani ukuthi le busy ithathe lo 3 points lona ikore nalamagoli la 3 nala mphathi wami ukuthi tokhona kusuka la ayihleli khona ngoba akusikuhle la ayihleli khona balandzeli labaningi bebasacala kuba nethuka ukuthi eyiphele izembe lingakhala nduna yami.
My brother, it was very much important ukuthi iKruger ithole 3 points.
Sure, President.
Kungabi kulo 3 points kuphela even namagoli ukuthi ayayinceda.
Yes, President.
Mara sekuminus 1 because it was 3-1 seba minus 1 goal kubo because base siya kuma goal difference. But that 3 points is 3 points.
Yes, President.
Bakhuphuka le position labakuyo it's not a good position for Impumalanga team. Lama team aseMpumalanga oyi3 lawa ngafuna lapha ukuthi 1 2 3 adlale lapha abe lapha la Mpumalanga sifuna ekube ne derby yethu isingathi makuyi derby sithi Soweto derby nathi siyayifuna la ka PSL sibe ne derby yethu adlala kahle ma teams wami ongele aseMpumalanga la khona.
Sure, President.
Yes, my brother.
President singithi kuyinanzisa kancane sithi sibuka lapha kubetway President.
Betway Premiership nangu la.
Yeah, President.
Betway
Yeah.
Betway Premiership.
President.
Yes, my brother.
President. Sasa kutela abanye president angengibasho keligama man. 3:30 mfazi. Bombela stadium. Uyo kwenzakaleni ngiba lasegcebeka abantu basuke ngasi right. Nyalobetha ngala emagalagaleni uyobela njani president?
Mina i-Kaizer Chiefs iyangathi Kaizer
Hayi
Chiefs.
man.
Starting from ngisasuka le phasi. Ngabashaya ngile phansi. Ngabashaya final.
Hayi president ngoba khumbula.
Bayangathi
Bakhumbuli president.
i-Kaizer Chiefs iyangathi. Mina ngiyashaya vele. Especially mangilakhaya.
Yeah.
Angidlali mangilakhaya.
Yeah.
Ngiyashaya lakhaya. Lakhaya solo I stick to my prediction. It's
President.
1-0.
Banika press.
1-0.
Banika president.
I-Chiefs Galaxy
Yeah.
ito wina ngo-1-0.
Yeah.
Makutoba ne-mistake batithole kahle iyophela nge-draw le game leya.
Yeah.
It's 1-0 or draw. Ngiyagcina lapho i-Kaizer Chiefs angiyiboni iphuma lapha eMbombela Stadium.
Bangali bethi pheshana president uyalinika lana.
Ngiyibona iphuma ngesemagundwane i-Kaizer Chiefs.
Hayi man.
Ligede lengene ngalo ngeyilibone. Ngebaphuma ngeligede bangene ngalo.
President.
Angiyiboni lapha i-Kaizer Chiefs iphuma ngeligede li-right.
Shosha press.
Iphuma ngegede li-wrong.
Hayi man president.
Yebe seyi-confused. Asidlali la siyadumusa la.
Hey.
Siyadumusa la.
President.
Siyashaya asidlala. But kunga serious it will be a difficult game.
Yeah, president.
Because i-Kaizer Chiefs nayo kuma game yayo beyisolo ingawin ma games.
Yeah.
Ine anger
Yeni.
eniyona ifakola i-pressure i-Sundowns ne-Chiefs.
Yes, President.
Baletulu. Thina si-relaxile si-right lapha asikho right. Lapha but asikho right.
Right.
Sikhuphuka lapha siyokhupha ngelikhosi.
Yeah, you must attend into the Galaxy president.
Ilikhosi it's our stepping ladder.
Hayi man.
Sigibela ladder i-ladder yethu.
President.
Chiefs, I'm coming for you.
Yes.
I'm coming for you.
Yes.
You better sort your house, Kaizer Chiefs.
Hayi man friend.
Better sort your house early, Kaizer Chiefs.
President.
Because I'm coming for you. I don't know. Kulama coach wenu kuthi coach abani. Angmathi coach wa Kaizer Chiefs.
Hayi.
Coach wa Kaizer Chiefs angmathi.
Oh my.
Abalungise house yabo ibe into order.
President.
Because nyalo siditekile nabo baditekile.
Hayi man.
That is why sewavula ingqondo kusasa.
Sasa president.
Siyabavula kusasa. Sasa sithi 1-0. Thank you my brother.
President.
Yes.
President. Yini le ngase labalandzele kumele bayilinzele umdlalo wakusasa president. Coach Beganovic yini le balandzele nilindzele from masocha ATS Galaxy onke nje. Kusasa to game yakudlala. Ubatshele president nema fans ukuthi hayi phela lokho akalithola ngalithikithi usana lithuba lokulithola lithikithi mphathi wami ubatshele nduna yami ngive basingezine park and ride but balandzele ukuthi khamba njani.
Yes my brother lesikulinzele sima Rockets silinzele iwin lapha sisekhaya. I always say ukuthi masidlala ekhaya sima Rockets we must get the maximum points.
President.
We are silinzele lokho ukuthi kusasa sithole kona then longa lithola ithikithi ima-ticket asasekhona.
Yeah, president.
Ungaya online computer ticket.
President.
Uphanje lapha usebenzisa isilungu.
Hayi man.
Yeah, uphanje lapha liyathola computer ticket. Even ungahluleka lapha kusebenzisa isilungu.
Yeah.
Go to the stadium.
Yeah.
The stadium yalithola ticket. It's 80 rand. Then there's a park and ride.
Sure, president.
Should you fail to come early, you must go for park and ride. Nema park and ride la khona. Le game ingule.
Yeah, president.
Ingule game. Even mina ngiyi-president ngiyofika early ngo-10 o'clock.
Escort president, batshele president.
Ngiyobe nginama blue lights.
Hayi man.
Bangishaya hamba so ngima blue lights. President iyofika ngo-10 stadium.
Yeah, president.
If you want to have a word with the president,
Yeah.
come early. Mina ngizoba nawe ngizokhuluma nawe maybe
Yes.
we'll have a cup of tea together with the president.
Cup of tea.
Yes my brother.
President. Hayi.
I-president ayinathi tshwala
Yeah,
inasanti yabo majuicy.
Yeah. Indokhala
Yes,
kahle.
something from Woolworths 100%.
Hayi man.
Ungathathi nje from Marabastad.
Hayi president.
Yeah, go to Woolworths. Yes, thank you my brother.
First president, Your Excellence, thank you, President. Ministers, Councillor, thank you very much for your time. That's all.